July 2022. After his third Keurig machine died, Justin found a B30 Keurig Mini at the Goodwill store for just $8. After some initial cleanup, it worked like a charm. For months, Justin was able to use his K-Cups without having to clean a reservoir or deal with a finicky digital panel that has plagued his previous machines. Sometimes, simpler is better. Fast forward to January 2023, a mild winter thus far. Justin begins his morning routine. On this particular machine, you first open the K-Cup holder, and upon closing that, the water tank reveals itself. Only after closing both compartments and ensuring a cup is underneath does a brew button light up blue. Today, however, repeated attempts of opening and closing the compartments, even reverting to somewhat violent slamming of the top lid, is proving less than fruitful. It was time to disassemble. No user serviceable parts inside? Challenge accepted. After removing no less than 20 screws, it is revealed that a tiny microswitch in the top lid has failed. Where could Justin possibly find an exact replacement microswitch in time to have his morning coffee? Luckily, Justin falls into the category of hoarder when it comes to electronic devices. He remembers that he saved a particular circuit board of unknown origin because it contained 2 microswitches, quite similar to the ones found on his 3D printer. What Justin didn't realize at the time is that removing the bottom and outer shell was completely unnecessary. Simply remove the pressure cap with 1 screw, then 3 screws releases the top cover, revealing the switch housing. 2 more number 2 Phillips screws and 2 number 0 screws, and you can quickly replace the faulty microswitch. For Justin, with the machine very much apart, it's time for a test brew. Completely exposed to the open and plugged into mains power, he proceeds to insert a K-Cup and carefully fill the tank with water. To Justin's delight, the button lights blue and familiar sounds and smells fill the kitchen once again. Now it's simply a matter of putting the Keurig B30 and his life back together. Morning routine saved, he goes on to edit a stupid fix-it video for his YouTube channel, which you should totally subscribe to. Coming soon, more repair videos, but without the ridiculous voice-up. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell? People like my voice of God. In a dystopian world. Screw it. I'll go back to my normal voice from now on. Or will he?